Hi, so I'm going to the hackathon tomorrow and I decided to prepare and test this new GitHub repo I found across the GitHub. So yeah, it literally helps me to generate ideas and I just want to see it if it's even better than just brainstorming with ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. So let's try. I've prepared a little bit, so here's the hackathon I'm going to, here's the just copied it and download it, and also I'm using my LinkedIn as a proof of my capabilities, what I can build. So I downloaded this and put it here, HackwithBay. Yeah, so just two documents. So let's start. First of all, we need to open this folder. Here it is. Great. Then, of course, we need Claude. Yeah, so here's our Claude, and here we need to add the command Dynamic Resonance Lite. Yeah. So I'm starting, and let's see what we'll do. As I read from the README, it will just read the documents I already have, yeah, like hackathon specification with sponsors, their platforms and what they do, and also my profile from LinkedIn where I wrote everything I can do, what I'm specialized, because I'm a marketer myself, so yeah. Is this file mapping correct? Profile MD team resume, yes, hackathon specifications, rules, sponsor, tag criteria, read them and proceed. Well, yeah, that's right mapping. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm a marketer myself, so my idea was always to actually prepare for the hackathon, find every judging criteria, all the information, all the sponsors, then come up with a good idea, and after that, find the technical guy on the hackathon and build an awesome demo with him. Because I need his technical depth, and I can just present and in front of judges, find the real use case and all of that. So that's why I'm actually looking at this Dynamic Resonance Lite to see if it can help me. So I can already see that it wrote something for me. Okay, just supposed to read. Well, yeah, that's literally me. Okay, now we need to answer the questions. What's on the team on the day and what's the skill mix? Well, as I said, I will find the teammate there, so I'll just use Whisper. Okay, I'm going to the hackathon and I will find a technical guy there, so we will build together something cool. Nice. Then, ideally, play to my superpower, classic crowd pleaser, sponsor maximizing, surprise me mix. I don't know, just surprise me. Or even, no, my goal, my success criteria is getting to the finalists and present my product in front of the hackathon, in front of the whole people. Because yeah, winning the hackathon is just lottery. It's very subjective what judges will decide to be the winning project. So yeah, my aim is to be the finalist and show my project to all people. And yeah, that's worked greatly because yeah, that's how I see hackathons actually. Exclusions, no, nothing heavily engineer dependent, no generic chatbot wrapper, nothing in customs logistic insurance, no hardware. Well, yeah, no generic chatbot and nothing in customs. Yeah. Okay, otherwise I can build it with a techie guy, so let's go next. Fun facts. Yes, I want fun facts. Okay, we just see and submit answers. And now, as I read, it will just think and try to come up with ideas. So I'll pause here and wait until it generates ideas to choose from. Okay, so here before generating ideas, it's, yeah, just take a chance for me to check if everything is correct. Okay, so it took him roughly 5 minutes to generate, and here's top 3 pitch ideas. I already read them, so you just can pause and read. Here's first two. and third one plus what to do next. So I read and I really like the third one because I think it's just genius. Yeah, you spend time negotiating about the meeting or just attending the meeting because you need to and just feeling bored and you don't care because your, I don't know, author AI takes all the notes. So yeah, doesn't matter for you. So I think that's at least a fun idea that I can understand why it should exist. So before settling on this one, I want to actually iterate a bit because I don't understand how we will use the sponsors platforms here because we have like, okay, Neo4j for the memory makes sense, Butterbase to store it. Okay, Daytona, Neobius, Aspera, how can we use them? I mean, yeah, that's what I'm going to ask him. So great. I really like idea number 3. I can understand it. I have a lived experience with meetings that nobody actually cares about, nobody needs them, but still we spend time on them. So yeah, before settling down, I want to actually a bit iterate how we will use the sponsors platforms because I can see here Neo4j and Butterbase, but can we somehow implement other sponsors like Neobius, Daytona, Aspera, and to make the demo a little bit more flashy, I guess? So yeah, just give me like 3 examples how we can use it, and based on them, I will then generate the design doc and find the teammate who can build this. Thanks God there is a whisper. So yeah, he will think a little bit and I will pause here. Okay, so he took another couple of minutes, I mean 2 or 3. Here's the ideas, you can pause and read. And I think, yes, example number 1 is the best one. So yeah, I mean, we can settle down here. Yeah, I think example number 1, sandboxed delegates is the best one. So please write me the essence of the design doc because most likely on the kickoff they will say some new directions or maybe narrow down to the specific theme. So I just want to be prepared. And yeah, that's why just problem and solution statement, just 2-sentence speech. Yeah, the tech stack, so I can show the tech person and he will decide how he will make an architecture out of that, and just a demo for me to understand how I will present and if I can somehow improve it. And yeah, just write it and yeah. So yeah, that's how I work. I'm just preparing and coming to the hackathon fully prepared with idea, with something fun that I can just find people to work on, because it's always easier when you have a cool idea. And now he should, I hope, just build something and something I can read through, then show, and that will be the end, because yeah, everything else I will know on the hackathon when will they set the real judging criteria, the real narrative, saying maybe we need to build something cool, or maybe we need to spend more time on polishing them or something else, because you never know. So yeah, I prefer to have a concept then I can somehow shape into the after the hackathon's kickoff. So yeah, I will pause here and wait until he will build the design doc and then show you. Okay, so we can see the idea and just, yeah, I really like it. I mean, yeah, it's even spent some time to write what to do if the narrow the theme on the kickoff. So yeah, that's a great section. And let's see the winner, actually. Let's open up. Great, so what we can see here, 2-sentence speech, full pitch block, how I will tell about it, tech stack, because I need to explain it to the technical person, demo script, nice, and if they narrow the theme and kick off, great. and even what to do on the hackathon. I mean, that's all I wanted, and I think that's actually pretty useful. I mean, the best thing here is the idea, because I can brainstorm and build all the plans in the Claude or ChatGPT, it doesn't matter. But I think with this Dynamic Resonance Lite, it just allows me to narrow down to the hackathon specifics and generate ideas specifically for them. And I mean, that's awesome. Yeah. So see you tomorrow on the hackathon here at AWS Builder Loft, and maybe let's team up if you like the idea. See ya!